Hello, we're at the Lincoln Arboretum.
Yeah, it's a lovely place to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city.
It looks lovely today.
It certainly does.
The Arboretum is a Grade 2 listed park in the heart of Lincoln's city centre. Situated in Lincoln's cultural quarter, the park was originally designed and laid out by Edward Milner, one of the most celebrated Victorian gardeners of his time.
The Arboretum was opened in August 1872. The opening ceremony was attended by 25,000 people, and attractions included brass bands, Professor Renzo's performing dogs, and Mr. Emmanuel Jackson, the Midland aeronaut, in his fantastic new balloon.
The 300-metre-long terrace, lined with lime trees, was once the longest in Europe, where Lincoln's Victorians would promenade in their Sunday best.
In 1905, a typhoid epidemic struck Lincoln and 118 people died. Poor water was blamed, so a fresh supply was piped in from Elksley, and a fountain was built in the Arboretum using rock from the boreholes as columns.
The fountain in the lake was opened in 1911 to celebrate the introduction of the city's new water supply. When the mayor opened the valve, water shot into the air with such force it drenched the crowds who had gathered to attend the opening.
After World War II, the Arboretum fell into decline, and in 1948 a glass pavilion on the former terrace was demolished, having suffered damage from a nearby bomb blast.
Fortunately, in 2003, over £3 million was spent to restore the Arboretum to its Victorian glory. Following completion of the restoration work in 2004, the park was awarded the Green Flag status, an award it has held ever since.
Today, the Arboretum once again fulfills its original purpose and remains a much-loved treasure, and is a perfect space to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and for a lunchtime stroll or weekend walk.